In life, we all want to become something. We all want to do something great. Many people watch motivational videos on YouTube regularly, but still they don't see much improvement in their lives. Why? Because you can't build a successful life with just motivation. Until you bring discipline into your life, motivation won't help you much if you don't fully understand this. Watch today's story till the end. I promise this story can change your life. In a small town, there lived a boy named Noah. He had a big dream. He wanted to do something great in life. Every day, he watched motivational videos, read inspiring stories, and listened to successful people speak. He often told himself, "I'll study for 6 hours every day, starting tomorrow. I'll change everything." Just thinking about it made him feel happy and excited. But that excitement didn't last long. After just a couple of days, he would go back to his old lazy habits and make excuses. Trying and failing again and again made Noah feel very frustrated. One day, he met his friend Ben. Ben seemed like he was from another world. He woke up early every day, followed a routine, studied on time, and slowly improved himself day by day. Noah looked at Ben with surprise. "How do you do it, Ben? How do you stay so motivated and keep doing everything every day?" Noah asked. Ben smiled and replied, "I don't rely on motivation, Noah. I trust in discipline." Noah looked confused and asked, "But isn't motivation the real key to success?" Ben shook his head and said, "Come with me to the riverside tomorrow morning. I want to show you something." The next morning, before sunrise, Noah went with Ben to the river. There was an old fisherman sitting there. His hands looked strong, and his eyes showed the wisdom of many years. Ben said to the fisherman, "Grandpa, could you tell him the story about discipline you once told me?" The fisherman looked at Noah and smiled. "Do you see this river, Noah? I come here every day at this exact time. Whether it's cold, raining, or sunny, I throw my net in the water, sit patiently, and try to catch fish. Some days I catch a lot, some days a little, and some days nothing at all. But I never stop coming. Do you know why?" Noah thought for a moment and replied, "Because you love fishing." The fisherman laughed gently. "No, son. This is my responsibility. If I only came when I felt like it, I wouldn't come every day. And if I waited for only good weather, then my family would go hungry. I don't wait for motivation. I believe in discipline." Noah listened carefully. The fisherman continued, "Motivation is like a flash of light. It shines brightly for a moment. Then it's gone. But discipline is like a fire. It burns slowly every day, no matter what happens around it." Then he pointed to a bamboo tree nearby and asked, "Have you ever heard the story of the bamboo tree?" Noah shook his head. The fisherman said, "A farmer once planted a bamboo seed. Every day he watered it, gave it sunlight, and took care of it. 1 year passed. Nothing happened. People laughed and said he was wasting his time. Still nothing happened in the 2nd year, or the 3rd, or even the 4th. But the farmer didn't give up. There was a spark in the fisherman's eyes. Then suddenly in the 5th year, do you know what happened? In just 6 weeks, the bamboo grew 90 feet tall. Do you know why? Noah's eyes grew wide because during those years, the tree was growing roots under the ground The fisherman nodded. Exactly. During those 4 years, the tree was building a strong foundation underground. If the farmer had given up, he would have never seen the tree grow so tall. Discipline is just like that. You may not see any results at first, but if you stay patient and keep going, one day you'll definitely succeed. Something changed inside Noah. He realized he had been waiting for motivation all this time and wanted quick results in everything. Now he understood discipline is the real key. From that day, Noah made up his mind. He would really change his life. Instead of waiting for motivation, he created a routine. Even on days when he didn't feel like it, he studied. On days he was tired, he still exercised. Even when he felt sleepy, he woke up early. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. Slowly, Noah became one of the most respected people in the town. And whenever someone asked him, "Hey, what's your secret to success?" he would smile and say, "Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is the key." If you can do small things every day again and again, big results will come. Success doesn't mean doing something huge all at once. It means doing small things right every single day. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Stay disciplined and you'll build your own future. If you like this story, don't forget to give it a like. Tell us in the comments, what did you learn from this story? We'll meet again in the next story.